We'll guide you through how to download and install Google Chrome on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Chrome is one of my favorite web browsers. I really like it because it means I can go and sync my search, my bookmarks all across my different devices, as I have a Mac but also a Windows PC as well. So with this, it means I can go and access my my data across both devices essentially. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. I also prefer it as a browser as well to Safari, so we're going to go and get started with this. What you need to do is go and open up a web browser you currently have on your Mac. By default, the web browser is Safari on your Mac, so what you can do is go and open that up like so. I've got it already here. Now what we're going to do is just go and search for Google to come to the search engine, and what we're then going to do is go and search for Google Chrome, so we can go and type it in. Next we can go and press enter, and you want to make sure you go to the official site, which is google.com, so come here. Now it's going to go and say this is for Mac OS 12 or later. You can go and check the version you're running by pressing the Apple icon in the top left, press about this Mac, and then you can go down and you can go and see I'm using Mac OS 26.2 Tahoe. So this is going to be fine. Then what you can do is you can go and press download Chrome like so, and it says, do you want to allow downloads on google.com? You have to do this for the download to come through, so you have to press allow. Now go and be patient. You can go and view the progress in the top right by pressing the download. You can go and see this is 237 megabytes. So depending upon your download speed, it will go and reflect upon how fast it is to download. Now what we need to do is you can go and find the download. So the easiest way, as we've got Safari open, is to press downloads in the top right, and you can find it here. But also you can go and open up Finder, and you can go and find Chrome in the downloads folder there. Otherwise in here, you can go and double click on it like so, and then it will go and open up. So what we now need to do is go and drag Chrome into the applications folder. So you literally click, hold, and then drag it in and drop it. You go and see that it's now moving. It's 672 megabytes. It shouldn't take too long, as you can see. Let's go and wait. And now it's successfully moved. Now what we can do is go and close everything off that we've opened. And now we can go and open up Chrome. So there are different ways you can go about this. You can press search in the top right and type it in, or you can go and press apps in the bottom left of your Mac, and you should go and appear here. For me, it's the first one. Otherwise, you can go and search for it. So click on it, and now it's going to go and open up. As you can see, it's just jumping. Be patient. And then we can go and press open. It's safe. We got it from Google. And now we can go and choose if you want to go and make it the default browser. Choose if you want to go and send you statistics. That's up to you. Press OK. And here we are. Then what we can do is go and press sign in and sign into your Google account to sync everything. I'll do that later. So for now, I'll press don't sign in. And here it is. If you found this useful, then leave a like.